comment, and subscribe. Click the notification bell beside the subscribe button. Watch for the next video.
Our favorite red juice benefits and recipes. There's no doubt that Americans need to eat more fruits and vegetables or, ahem, drink them as a part of their daily red juice. Research shows that only 1 in 10 adults consumes enough fruits and vegetables to meet their needs. That means that 90% of Americans don't. The U.S. dietary guidelines strongly suggest 5 servings of greens and fruits per day, and most people only get 1 or 2, if any. We're not just too busy to eat our greens, our diets dangerously lack variety. We keep eating the same things every day because it's easy and comfortable, but it's not very nutritious. Even if you're striving to eat healthily, just one thing won't fulfill all your needs. For example, broccoli is an extremely healthy food, but it can't be the only green you eat. Variety in nutrition is the key to achieve balance. And that's why we came up with the superfood juice we called red juice. It's a mix of antioxidant fruits, natural adaptogens, vitamins, minerals, and blood purifiers that help you get more different fruits and vegetables in your diet. The best part? It tastes like an afternoon treat. Red juice helps you achieve nutritional balance with remarkably potent natural foods. Think of it as a tasty support mechanism that gets you closer to meeting that 5 servings goal, without all the chopping, prepping, and cleanup. But keeping all the nutritional value we so desperately need. How organifi red juice is made, and why it's so good. This fresh and fruity superfood juice is a powerhouse full of nutrients from natural and organic sources, slowly dehydrated to keep all the active ingredients in each fruit, vegetable, mushroom or root bioavailable for a really long time. What does that mean? It means we take a selective group of ingredients and slowly dry them up to form a natural powder free of unpronounceable toxic chemicals that stay active throughout the lifespan of your container. Each time you sip Organifi red juice, you're getting an explosion of nutrients delivered straight to your bloodstream. It's the next best thing to having a bite of 7 different fruits, a couple of roots, herbs, and mushrooms. Why? Functional food dehydration has been shown to retain the nutritional value of the fresh fruit or vegetable, making it an excellent way to fight micronutrient malnutrition, which is essentially what many Americans call lack of energy, slow metabolism, and poor defenses. When we made this superfood juice, we wanted to make it as close to the real thing as possible, super delicious, and extremely convenient. Just 1 scoop a day gives you a boost of energy and antioxidants. Red juice is USDA organic certified, gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, vegan, keto diet-friendly, only 1 gram of sugar. The health benefits of red juice. Just like everything else Organifi, this superfood juice is all about the nutritional value of each ingredient. We chose each of these foods carefully to complement each other, increase their antioxidant value, and to support your overall health. Red juice is a powerful anti-aging, body detox, fat-burning, and mental boost mix. Here's why. Number 1. Beets may give you an energy boost. Beets are not exactly what the majority of people enjoy in a glass, but it makes for a superfood juice like no other. Research shows it may boost endurance by injecting up to 16% more fresh oxygen into your blood cells. In animal studies, it has successfully protected the liver from high-fat diets. It's rich in iron, 4% RDI, manganese, 16% RDI, potassium, 9% RDI, folate, 20% of the RDI, vitamin C, 6% RDI, and more. Learn how to boost your health with beets. Number 2. Acai supercharges you with antioxidants. Antioxidant is one of those words that gets thrown around a lot, but not everyone understands. It's one of the most important benefits of this superfood juice. So what do antioxidants do? Antioxidants find and neutralize free radicals, which effectively slows down, reverts, or prevents cell damage. The building blocks of nature are atoms. Protons, neutrons, and electrons form each atom. Whenever a reaction makes a molecule, multiple atoms together, drop or lose an electron, this guy becomes a free radical. These free radicals want to be attached to something, and when they find it, they break it. This is what we call aging, oxidative stress, and in the worst case, tissue or organ damage. Antioxidants find electrons and pair them with another electron, so they can't break any other structure. The acai fruit has one of the highest antioxidant capacities of all fruits and vegetables tested to date. Studies show that acai has anti-inflammatory properties, reduces muscle pain, and may even help to manage cholesterol. Love it? Leverage the energy-boosting properties of the amazing red juice ingredient acai. Number 3. Berries could make your skin look younger. Acai is already a mighty anti-aging fruit, but it is not the only powerful player in this superfood juice. Raspberry is packed with skin-strengthening vitamins and minerals, vitamin C, manganese, folic acid, copper, and iron. Research shows that this red juice fruit protects the skin against UVB damage. It's also packed with antioxidants. Cranberries provide urinary tract support, which helps flush out toxins, prevents UTIs, improves oral health, and has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Blueberries are full of micronutrients that raise metabolic rates, even while resting. Loaded with phosphates, iron, and magnesium. That means you burn fat faster. Strawberries are a low-sugar source of collagen, one of the most critical proteins for the health and youth of the skin. They're also full of antioxidants and taste so good. Number 4. Reishi mushroom may support liver detox. Called the mushroom of immortality, reishi mushroom benefits have been discussed and leveraged for centuries. It improves the appearance of the skin, boosts immunity, helps with relaxation, and stimulates the liver to eliminate toxins. It is a powerful adaptogen that naturally helps the body manage and release stress. Research shows reishi mushrooms improve liver detox, the benefits of reishi mushroom for skin, and possibly that reishi mushroom fights cancer. It makes our superfood juice a lot stronger. Number 5. Cordyceps and rhodiola could speed up your metabolism. Research found that cordyceps supports weight control by normalizing a host of chronic metabolic, chemical and behavioral components. What this means is that the active components in this mushroom help your body adjust and burn fat faster and easier. Meanwhile, rhodiola boosts resting metabolism and reduced visceral fat in animals studied effectively. Learn more about the Organifi red juice ingredient cordyceps and its other health benefits. It's not so yummy on its own, but a great addition to this superfood juice. Number 6. Siberian ginseng could lower blood sugar. Siberian ginseng lowered blood sugar in diabetic patients in this study. It is a millennial herb used in traditional Eastern medicine to increase energy, reduce inflammation, fight insomnia, and improve cardiovascular performance. It's part of our red superfood juice because it complements the other ingredients in the energy department. These are the top 14 benefits of the Organifi red juice ingredient Siberian ginseng. Drink red juice to feel and look younger. With this superfood juice, you're adding 11 revitalizing ingredients to your day. Increase fat loss, reduce wrinkles, supercharge your metabolism, and enjoy crash-free energy bursts that keep you running longer and happier. Here are some fun ways to incorporate red juice in your routine. 3 delicious and nutritious red juice recipes. Number 1. Berry Blast Frozen Yogurt. Ingredients: 1 scoop Organifi red juice, 1 cup frozen berries, 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Instructions: add all of the ingredients to a blender or food processor and mix until smooth and creamy. Serve immediately or place in a sealed container and store in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. Number 2. Berrylicious Lemonade. Ingredients: 2 scoops Organifi red juice, 1 cup lemon juice, 4 cups filtered water, lemon slices and fresh berries to garnish. Liquid stevia, to taste. Instructions: mix all of the ingredients in a pitcher until well combined. Pour the lemonade into a glass with ice and serve with fresh berries and lemon slices. It's one of our favorite superfood juice alternatives. Number 3. Red Berry Protein Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 scoop Organifi red juice, 1 scoop vanilla Organifi complete protein powder, 1 cup frozen mixed berries, 2 cups coconut milk or non-dairy milk. Ice cubes, as needed. Instructions: place all of the ingredients in a blender and process until smooth. Add more ice as needed to reach desired consistency. Each and every scoop of this superfood juice is full of super energizing, organic and natural foods that will give you the boost your body needs to function at its best in the middle of the day.